Hey, welcome back. My name's Cole, and I am here to answer any questions you have about solar from the comfort of your own home. And today's question I am answering is, does solar cost any money up front? The short answer is no, it doesn't cost any money up front, depending on how you're doing it. Now, if you're financing, yes, it doesn't cost any money up front. Leasing, it won't cost any money up front. If you're doing cash, yes, obviously, you're paying cash. There is a catch, though. It's not as easy as just getting solar and getting it when you want. You have to qualify for $0 down. And there's three main things you have to qualify for to be able to get access to this $0 down program. So the first thing is you have to be using a certain kilowatt hour usage per year, or monthly average per month. Just because it wouldn't really make sense to get solar panels financially, but if you're spending about $100 or more on your electricity bill every month, then you should be good, and you would get past that. The second thing is you need a 650 plus credit score to finance. The leasing program is a bit different, and I can talk about that. But if you can finance, I would do finance over leasing, and I'll explain that why in a later video. But you need a 650 plus credit score, and your roof cannot look like this, essentially. So your roof has to be structurally sound enough to be able to hold up the panels, so that nothing happens to your roof. Now, we can help with the roof and solar at the same time, but that will cost extra on top of what the cost of solar is. Now, I'll cover the cost of the roof and the solar installation if you were to do that in another video. But it really wouldn't be that much of a difference. You would save a little bit less every single month with the cost of the roof, but you would still be paying less than your utility bill. Just depends on your roof size and your system size. Now, what would be the next steps if you found out that you qualified and you can actually get solar $0 down? Well, the next thing would to be get the install process ready. There's a lot of permits and stuff we have to deliver to the city and get approval from the city. From the utility company. That's all stuff that happens on the back end, and we do that for you. But essentially, on the front end for you, you're essentially not paying electricity from your utility bill anymore, and that bill switches to a solar bill, which will be completely flat every single month. It'll be the same exact cost. It'll never go up like your utility bill does every year. And you'll have control over your expenses. So if you live in California, this is what you could expect to see with a solar bill based on your average utility bill usage. So you could pause the video right here and take a look. Now, it depends on where you live and how much energy you need, so your solar bill could look different based on your usage. But these prices are only, keep in mind, this year with the 26% tax credit. Now, if we take a look at your estimated 25-year savings in California, you could see if you spend about an average $100 on your utility bill every month, you could save $38,000 over 25 years with solar. Now, if your bill was $500 a month or more, you could expect to save $194,000 over 25 years. It really just depends on how big your system size is, how much energy you use, and how much energy you're really going to use in the future. So if you want to see if you qualify for your usage and want to see an accurate savings report based on your actual usage at your home, you could just go ahead and text or call me at this number. Super simple. Or you could send an email to my email, colesworld@gmail.com. So the one thing I would ask is when you do contact me, I'll ask for your utility bill, and then I'll take that, put it into our software, and it'll spit out an accurate savings report, a solar design, what your monthly bill would be, and then how much you would actually be spending over 25 years with the utility company based on your actual usage. So you could do that, super simple, and no pressure at all. I'll just send you back the savings in the report, and then you'll just let me know what you think. So if you thought this video helped you guys out, leave a like, subscribe to the channel if you want to keep updated with more solar content and information, and I look forward to seeing you guys in another video.